Right now I am going up. Creepers are there helping me to climb up, and small trees are there. Creepers, and just really helping me to climb up. I'm using my knife as well. Wow, this is a nice place. You can see the rock. After having worked for a while, I just came into this thicket in search of a herbal plant, I must tell you, but still I have not found it. I'm looking for it, and hoping that I may find one. For the Ayurvedic medicines, people usually find herbal plants in the thickets, and yes, it's a tiresome walk along these paths. My boots are quite have worn off, and that's one of the reasons, you see, and they're not good enough to, the grip is not there, and that's why also the on the ground you can see a lot of leaves, dry leaves, slippery, and yes, oh yes, you see, still you can't see the top part of this rock. I think we had to climb up. This is the upper part of that dead tree I saw you at the bottom for a while ago. This is the upper part of that tree. The ground is dry, and the animals have played havoc here. See, so thank you for watching.